still blame this all on me? And you wanted this custom cut, you know what I'm saying? So the mom was like, all right, whatever, do you. I don't even want it to look like this, do you. So I'm like, okay, mom, leave. I'm cutting his hair, y'all. I'm cutting his hair, y'all wouldn't even believe. Y'all wouldn't even believe what the man started to do, y'all. Have y'all ever thought about it? Getting a Chick-fil-A meal is a whole contradiction. Why get the meal? Think about it. It has hash browns in the dang burrito, right? And you get hash browns on the side. Why? Why do we do this? You spend extra money for what? More hash browns? It don't make no sense. Yeah, I get it. You get the drink. But give me something other than hash brown, okay? Give me something other than tater tots. You already got the tater tots in here. I'm not mad today, but I woke up on the wrong side, okay? And today, we about to get into it. I'm talking about everything that I don't like about barbering today. All right, I'm sitting outside of the job right now, and I'm feeling some type of way. I don't know why. Maybe I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Maybe I didn't. But today, we're gonna talk about it, okay? We're gonna talk about it. Alright, so listen, everybody thinks that every time I vlog, you know, it's all peaches and cream. Like, hey, I want to go to work and just cut hair. Woo! You know what I'm saying? I got a whole lot of energy. I want to cut hair. But no, there's some things that I don't like, okay? And today, it's not anybody's day today, okay? I'm ready. Today, I'm talking about everything that I don't like about cutting hair, okay? Everything is good up until everything is bad, okay? And there's some things that I just don't like about cutting hair. We're gonna talk about it. You walking up like, bro, I don't know what I just walked into, but I just want a good cut today.
Like, should I come back later?
Should we all just come back? And see, that's another thing that I dislike about barbering, okay? Is when the client sits here and keeps dipping his head down. You know what I'm saying? Like, lift your head up. Lift your head up. You know what I'm saying? Just rise with the head lift, okay? So I can get an even distributed line straight across. You feel what I'm saying? But no. Next client. See, this is another thing that I don't like about barbering. This is another thing I don't like about barbering. You get your clients that's waivers, you know what I'm saying? They come in so fresh, so clean, then they turn their back on the whole wave community. Oh man, what we doing? What we doing?
Just tapering it.
Tapering?
Lining, yeah.
Tapering line?
In the back too. A high taper though.
Alright.
Oh no, bro.
Alright, even though she basically dissed us all for the wave game in the wave game, still clean though. She'll be back. Once a waiver, always a waiver. Alright. hate when the client be hecka sweaty because it's hot outside, and then they're just overly like sweaty. You got to go grab an extra towel for them to just keep wiping it off and wiping it off and wiping it. No matter how cold it gets in the shop, they still sweating, and it's messing with the lineup and the crispiness of the line, the integrity of the line. Yeah. See, that's why I went and had to buy this blow dryer right here. It's called the X blower. This thing actually works pretty good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I got it from Danny. He's the guy that works over there. This guy right here. For 21 days. All right, Danny, you gotta give me something, man. Come on.
One thing I don't like about barbering is when parents come with the 1-year-old kids, want the freshest lineup,
Okay.
the hardest part,
Okay.
and they want it to be a nice ball fade. But they move.
But they moving.
They moving.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. You little brats, okay, that come in here thinking that they gonna get a good haircut. You know what I'm saying? But they moving with their head all around, and their parents expecting to get a haircut. That's what he don't like. I don't like it either, okay? Everything today, we talking about it, okay? It's a lot of things I love about barbering, don't get me wrong. But it's a lot of things that we hate, okay? So, I know you guys see me wake up every day juiced. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to work. Ah! But you know, with everything that you love comes everything that you don't like, you know? Let's talk about it. Alright, so we're gonna do a little TikTok little TikTok, so you can see how TikTok, yeah, you know what I mean, with the phone, and I'm gonna show you, you know, okay, alright, let's do it. Go ahead.
I wasn't gonna say nothing.
You was.
I was just making fun of you.
Come on. What do you hate? What do you hate?
All right, look. One thing I do hate is when like clients be on their phone while they're getting lined up.
That's true. I mean, what's the reason why you hate that though?
Hate what?
When they be on their phones, like why is that? Why do you hate that?
Because I'm trying to give you a nice lineup, man. You know, and it's when you're doing the fade. You're doing the fade.
Talk about it. When you're doing the fade.
All right, when you're doing the fade, and you know they're on the phone like this, and then you're trying to get around the ear right here, but they're in the way with the phone.
And they think by switching it.
They think by switching, and then you get to this side, and then you like.
Right.
You know what the biggest thing I hate about being a barber is? And I think all barbers could agree.
Talk about it.
Okay?
Talk about it.
Something's always getting took from your station.
Ooh.
Things are always.
Where Arlen? I think.
I didn't say no name. I didn't say no name. I didn't say no name.
Arlen, I think that was a slick shot.
No.
You said the one with the mustache?
You know when they talking?
Oh no, I didn't do that yet. Yeah, I need to do that. All right, you guys.
I didn't even mean to.
That's not a shot. That's not a shot.
Whatever.
Was it shot?
No.
That's not a shot.
You say you want some shots?
George just wants to in there.
All right, so There's a lot of things that I don't like about cutting hair. So I'm about to go home and tell you a situation that I really didn't like, all right? Let's go. All right, so now that I'm home, let's talk about this situation, okay? I'm not gonna say no names. I'm not gonna point no elbows or nothing like that, but the situation really happened, okay? Listen to me. About a week ago, okay? I don't know why I wanted to throw my hat. About a week ago. All right. About a week ago, okay, this teenager came in. He wanted a haircut. He was real picky, okay? Kid was extremely picky. He wanted to keep it dark right here. He wanted to have a low taper, but a high taper, but it only wanted to go inside right here. I want to keep this area in the back darker. I mean, throughout the whole cut, he's nitpicking on how he wanted to cut. Don't go too high right here. Don't go too on the left little side. On this side right here, don't do this. Listen to me. I do the cut the way he wanted. Listen to me. It was a custom cut. Okay, a one of one. It was custom. Okay, so immediately I knew, okay, I showed him the mirror, he was cool with it, he left, but in my mind, y'all, I said the grow back on that's finna be real foul. You know what I'm saying? Now let's fast forward, okay? About yesterday, the day before yesterday, a couple days ago, they come in on my last cut, right? So I'm cutting, they sitting there, they wait till I'm done, okay? I got somebody else before them though, right? Matter of fact, they didn't have an appointment. I'm not saying that they had an appointment, but I had somebody else to cut, okay? So when I was done with the cut that I was working on, moms come up to me, right? And say,
hey, you know what I'm saying? I don't like this, that, and this right here don't look right.
Basically, everybody is now looking at me. You gotta remember, I'm 360 Jeezy in the shop. A mom coming at me with an unhappy haircut? It's unheard of. You feel what I'm saying? So everybody is all eyes on me, and she's complaining about this haircut, and I'm thinking in my mind, I'm like, well, wow, I actually did this cut? You know what I'm saying? Because I forgot that I even cut his, not that I didn't cut his hair, but I forgot about the cut in general. You know what I'm saying? You don't remember. I cut to a lot of people, okay? I don't remember everybody. So I'm looking at the cut like, dang, I did this? Mind you, the grow back is horrible, y'all. So I tried to be like, Mom, wait a minute, hold up, wait a second, let me get a comb, let me brush this down, because it's looking wild. You know what I'm saying? They didn't brush the hair, comb the hair, nothing. So I'm saying, all right, I do it. I'm like, okay, look at it. It did look a little better, this right here, right? It look a little better, okay? In my mind, it ain't look no better, but it kind of did though. And she was like, oh, okay, but I don't want it to look like this. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is that same kid that wanted the custom cut. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, oh, wait a minute, Mom. Wait a minute. You wanted this cut. You asked for this. Hold on, wait a minute. And he was like,
oh, Mom, yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? I did want it.
I'm like, whoa. You didn't discuss this with your mom and say that you wanted this cut? Wow. I can't believe it. You tried to blame this all on me and you wanted this custom cut. You know what I'm saying? So the mom was like, all right, whatever. Do you. I don't even want it to look like this. Do you. So I'm like, okay, Mom, leave. I'm cutting his hair, y'all. I'm cutting his hair, y'all. Y'all wouldn't even believe. Y'all wouldn't even believe what the man started to do, y'all. The little teenager started to, all right, Mom, leave. He sits in my chair. He added again, talking about, all right, I want it dark right here, left side right here, I want it light right. I'm like, in my mind, y'all, I'm like, I'm not listening to nothing you got to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm not listening to nothing. At this point, it's over with, bro. I'm doing me. You know what I'm saying? So as he's talking, I don't care. I'm doing me, right? Now, it got to the lineup part. Okay, it got to the lineup part. Now I'm lining them up. Oh my God, he got the nerve to say, can I see? In my mind, I'm thinking, can I finish? But I'll let him see, you know what I'm saying? So then he goes to say, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? I'm like, I sit back and I'm like, bro. I'm like, nah, bro, listen. I'm not doing nothing that you got. The reason why I'm doing that, because I did stand like this. The reason why I did that is because, bro, you want me to do you again when your mom over here, you know what I'm saying? Your mom told me to do me. If I do you, I'm gonna be in the same situation that I'm here, you know what I'm saying, right now. I gotta cut your hair again if I do it your way. I'm doing it my way, bro. He like, it's my hair though. I'm like, bro, but your mom is paying for the cut. He like, yeah, my mom's paying for the cut, but it's my hair. I'm like, I know he didn't just say that. No, he didn't just say. Bro, listen, I'ma do me. I'ma do me. I can't do you, bro. Because right now I gotta give you a freak haircut. You know what I'm saying? He like, hey, you ain't even gotta do all that. You could just fix it up right here. I'm like, bro, wait a minute, hold up. If you walk out the door, you know what I'm saying? I can't let you leave like that. That's my name on the haircut now. I can't just fix this without giving you a full haircut. You know what I'm saying? I don't roll like that. So he like, all right. So I get done with the cut. You know what I'm saying? I'll show him the mirror. He had to hit me. He hit me with the even better. Even better. I'm like, bro, we could've. That's my story. Okay, I don't want this video to go on too long, okay? But these are some of the things that I do not like about barbering, okay? I don't like barbering, all right? But with everything that you hate, okay, about a certain niche that you're in, whatever it is, there's always great positive moments that come out of, you know what I mean, anything that you are doing. You know what I'm saying? I love cutting hair at the end of the day. I'm a barber. I love being a barber. But even with that love, it's still stuff that you don't like. But always, my positive mindset on everything, it outweighs the negative. You know what I'm saying? Don't focus on the bad all the time. Focus on what you love to do. And I love to cut hair. I know this video is I hate cut hair, but at the end of the day, all right, those are just some of the things that I don't like. But I love cutting hair. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hey, you new to the channel? Hit that subscribe button. More vlogs to come. In the comment section below, let me know, what do you not like about cutting hair? Because we all have our experience via client or the barber. What you don't like, leave it down in the comment section below. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.